it appears she's not too crazy about these kitties because she wants out, out, out. Don't you, babe? She's not making any attempt to hurt them. Calico Corners is wanting me to love on her. Okay, what do you think, Miss Jen? Let's go around here. Let's go around here. Come on, let's take a little trip. No, get out. No, get out of the litter box. No, baby. No, you can't get in the litter box. Come here. You can't hide in the litter box from them. Well, I would say you're not interested at all in hurting little kitties. You're afraid of them. Okay, well, I'm certainly afraid of this many. Okay, so we know a little bit more about Jen. You're lost in the huddle. Okay, let's go.